Victor Spiritual Teachings, Chapter 16, Progress and Achievements. When the spiritual opening is well underway and the awakened person has practiced prayer, meditation, and adopted positive and loving thoughts, action and words, then the same person should gradually perceive a changed attitude and a new way of thinking and approaching things. The inner fear should gradually fade away. More love should come in, and the energy of love should begin to flow through the person's body as well as the heart. Even though the fear pops up from time to time, it can be sensed that it is on the decline and occurs less often, and sooner or later it will eventually disappear completely. All the daily problems should gradually become more trivial and eventually disappear from the person's life. That is not to say that the problems cannot arise, but what changed are the attitudes toward things. These things stop creating discomfort, anxiety, and fear and have now become daily tasks that the awakened person has now gained the strength and ability to deal with without discomfort and fear. The awakened one has realized that the tasks that arise are only instruments for developing the soul and raising its consciousness. And he learns to use this as his advances in life. He who has come to understand and accept that he has an eternal soul will no longer fear life or death. It is important to understand that everything earthly is temporary, whether it is success or the adversity that comes with life. Nothing is so evil that it does not lead to good. An example of success in spiritual openness is that competitive thoughts give way to empathy and sympathy. There comes a need and calling to help one's neighbor, and love for others increases steadily in the heart, while the fear from the ego goes aside. The soul is steadily strengthened, and thoughts, attitudes, and conduct are characterized by the dominance of truth and love. There will also be a perception that the person is part of all that is, and that is the soul is part of the oneness of all that is. Such perceptions increases tolerances and competitions, and the need to control and have a power over others disappear altogether. At this point, the awakened person should have begun to feel the energy that goes lower in the body and chakras as the opening increases. When the energy has reached the abdominal cavity, the person has come a long way with the spiritual opening, and finally the God's energy will be able to flow down to the root chakra, at which point the opening is completed, and all fear is gone from the person's life. This is sometimes called the opening of the seventh seal, which gives access to the kingdom of God. As mentioned before, the opening takes time and requires a lot of patience, so it is important to be firm in the journey and let no one and nothing stop you. But when you get here in the process, it is your own thoughts and attitudes that are the biggest obstacle. Spiritual openness is mostly about changing one's mind and thoughts, and thereby one's attitudes towards oneself, others, life, and existence, and it is important to always be self-aware in order to avoid obstacles and sidesteps in the process. A person who practices meditations and prayers will sense and feel that it becomes easier to empty the mind and draw energy into the body. And through these exercises, one learns to control and slow down the mind. With this practice, you will achieve better and greater results in controlling your mind and thoughts. This will allow the person to control their mind anywhere and anytime, even if they are not meditating, on walk, on the couch, and wherever there is an opportunity to find peace and quiet. The mind tends to amplify daily tasks and make them problems, and fear is often not far away. But when the importance of the ego decreases, this anxiety decreases as well, and daily tasks become more trivial than before. As soon as you learn to slow down your thoughts and mind, your focus becomes more on daily tasks and your thinking becomes clearer. When the energy channels of the body begin to open up and the energy is well down in the body during meditations, the healing of the body begins, and the health is strengthened, as well as endurance and energy. As soon as the body frequency increases with rising consciousness, the body defense and immune system against cold, flu, and other ailments increases, so these ailments will become milder than before. Body and health reflect the person's mind and thoughts. As soon as the mind and mindset changed into a positive and love, physical health will be strengthened and improve in the same way. The awakened person will find positive change in many areas of their life where everything changed from the better. Whether it is communication with others, physical health, or their own mind and mindset. But it is important to continue your journey and always be aware of yourself and your feelings. Practice meditation and prayer, take good care of your body, and always pay attention to your health.